Ano kayang pwede kong lutuin today? Tara, samahan ninyo ako. Magluto tayo ng healthy soup. First, wash the meat very well. Then boil some water. Cook the meat 2 to 3 minutes. Then drain the water and wash again with cold water. Before that, soak the peanuts and the green beans and the dried mandarin peeled overnight. Kapag walang oras, pwede 1 hour before cooking, soak in hot water. Then peel off the lotus root, cut in bite size. Now boil some water and add the meat, the beans, and the nuts, and then the lotus root. Mix. Add some salt. Depend on your taste. Add some white pepper. Cover for 1 hour.